Good. We are recording. Yes, we are. All right, good. So I have my Word document here. Right. As I was saying, I have a Word document that I compiled. And it's just a bunch of text, really, a bunch of content on ICT. So I have a few pages, right? Because I need to create a table of contents. And you can't have a table of contents with just one page. Now, I am going to share this document with you after to attempt to do the table of contents as well, all right? So first thing is that I need to make sure all the formatting is the same. So I'm going to highlight everything, and a trick is triple click in the left margin rather. Oops, let me do it again. Right? Or you can select all. And then I want my font to be the same. So I'm going to type in Times New Roman. There it is. And then my font is 12. Good. So all of my text now looks the same. So let me zoom in a bit now. Oh, I also want all the colors to be the same. So let me triple click again and change the color to automatic. Right, everything is the same. Good. Now, I'm creating a table of contents, kind of a report. I need a table of contents, so I'm creating a report. And if I'm creating a report, it means I need to have a cover page. So let's get a cover page going. Oops, what did I do? Oh, first thing is I want to move all the text down to the next page, and I want a blank first page. And there are a few ways to that. Insert pages, page break, blank page. Let's try blank page, right? And my first page is now blank. Now, what's the heading for this? I'm doing ICT, my name, and I can have date, today as well, 2nd of February, spelled wrong. Nice. And this is my cover page. So my cover page, generally this text is going to be centered and like really big. Actually, not so big. My title should be the bigger one. Right. And I could have put a picture here as well if I wanted to. This is enough. Okay. So that's my cover page. Now I have my text. And if you look at a textbook as well, a textbook does not just start with the text just like that. It will have a table of contents in between. So I need another blank page here. So I'm going to go back, insert, blank page. So my second page is going to be blank because this is where I want my table of contents to show up. Next thing I want to do is insert, oh, I need a page number. All my pages should be numbered. So let me see, insert, header. Let's go insert page number, top of the page. I'm just going to pretend it's top of the page, center. Okay, so I see that's page 2 there, and I have page 1, and go down page 3, etc. The next issue though is that I don't want my page number to show up on my cover page. No, so I need to get rid of that. If I go to my header, right? So I'm going to double click in the top margin of my first page, and I'm going to see that I have a design tab to the top, and different first page. And click close. You'll see that there's no page number at the top of the first page, but it does exist from the second page and go down. All right. Next thing. Oops, what did I press? I need to organize my chapters. If I'm going to make a table of contents, remember you usually have your chapters showing in the table of contents. So I need to organize my chapters. So let me see here. ICT, technology. This is an introduction here. All right. And then this I want to move on to the next page. So I'm going to go insert page break, and it shifts it to the next page. My cursor was to the beginning of that heading though. Look, another heading here. Let me shift that down as well. So I put my cursor before the I, insert pages, page break, and it goes down. Let's see, next one here, same thing. So basically I'm starting each one of my topics on a new page, right? Each one of my topics starts on a new page. And I'm done. Now there should be another page here. Just now, let me go get it. All right. There's a website address here. I'm going to move it out from there, and I'm going to go to my last page. I'm going to insert a blank page. This is my references. My references, or my my source of information. This is my web address where I got all this information. Right. Now, I have 8 pages in total. Can you see? Let me just zoom in a little bit more for you. I have 8 pages in total. So this page 8 here. This one is called references. And then I have significance of ICT and enterprises. Then I have page 5 is ICT, social, societal, and economic impact. Then I have page 4, components of an ICT system. Page 3, ICT introduction. Page 2 is blank because that's my table of contents. Okay. So I've organized my documents. I formatted it to be the same. I have a new topic with its content starting on a new page. Now, in a table of contents, what shows up in a table of contents? The chapter heading, the chapter title shows up, and the page number. Okay, I need to fix my chapter titles. So my chapter title is at the beginning here. This is one of them. I need to go to the home page and styles. Have you ever seen styles? We've never really used it, but it's here. And there's one of them called heading 1. I'm going to click on heading 1. Now, heading 1 has its own format, but I can change this if I want. But I need to highlight the chapter title first, then click on heading 1 in styles, home tab, styles, heading 1. Now I can change it if I want. Let's use a different font. This is not too bad. Let's decrease the font a little bit though. And we can do a color if we want it. All right, and just do a blue. Okay, right. So this is what I want all of my headings to look like. So let's go to the next chapter. I need to highlight my title, my chapter heading. Go to home, styles, heading 1. And then I have to change my font and reduce and color. I can't remember what font size this was. Right. Now, I don't know if you noticed, for my second one, I had to do over all the steps again. Doesn't that seem like a lot? I mean, if I formatted the first chapter title how I want it to look, the others should just be easier. And it can be. So how you do it easier? I need to highlight the chapter title first, after I did all the formatting though, after I clicked on heading 1, after I changed my font, after I changed the color, after I changed the font size. Right, I've done formatting it, highlight the chapter title. In Home tab in Clipboard, you will see Format Painter. Click on Format Painter and you'll see your cursor kind of looks like a paintbrush when you go over text. Don't click on anything, huh? Scroll down. Here's my other chapter title. I need to drag and drop over my chapter title and voila, right? It changed the same formatting settings that I had from the first chapter title. It changed it for my next one. But I just have to keep doing that. So I need to highlight that Format Painter and go to the next one. Drag and drop over it. Format text, Format Painter. Go to the next one. Nice. Done. All right. Okay. So I chose heading 1. I am ready to put in my table of contents. So let's go to my second page. Click on the second page. And I'm going to go to references in my menu. Table of contents. And I have a few options here. I like the second one or the first one. Let me just choose the first one. And it put everything in. However, do you notice there's a little issue? Okay, first of all, you should be amazed that it put this in automatically. It automatically got all the page numbers and put it in. And all of the heading 1s that we created, it's here. But we do have a little issue though. My cover page seems to be here. So I need to change that. My cover page seems to be reading as heading 1. I want it normal, right? Normal. I want this centered. Huge. Let me change that up some way. All right, now let's see if I can change my table of contents. So I clicked on my table of contents and I can update table, entire table, and it works. So it means that the first time, this might have been reading as heading 1. I needed to make sure it's normal. So anything that I want as my chapter titles to show up in my table of contents, I need to make sure that's heading 1. Anything that I do not want showing up is normal style, normal style. Now, what if I wanted to have a sub chapter? And basically that's it, right? We're done. We're done with table of contents. I just wanted to show you a little further. What if you wanted to do a sub chapter? And this may be helpful for all of your SBAs. So let me just show you. So let me see this one here. Let's try and make some subtitles here. Let's see. World Bank. Okay, World Bank. All right, and let's see United Nations here. Good. Bring you down. United States, World Bank, United Nations. Okay, we'll just use these two. So heading 1 is the main chapter title. Obviously, heading 2 is going to be the sub chapter title. So I need to make this as heading 2 again. and go back up to my table of contents, click on it, update table, entire table, click OK. There's my subtitles. And that's it. Let me stop recording.